Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI marketing videos with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and start a new video project. Before creating the video, decide what you want to promote. This could be a product, service, brand, offer, or social media campaign. Prepare a short and engaging script that clearly explains the main benefits. Next, choose an AI avatar to represent your brand. Select a presenter whose appearance and speaking style match your target audience. Add your marketing script to the editor and choose an AI voice. Select a suitable language and voice that sounds natural and professional. Now customize the video with your branding. Add your logo, product images, promotional text, colors, background, and other visual elements when available. Organize your scenes so the video starts with an attention-grabbing introduction, explains the main benefits, and finishes with a clear call to action. Before generating the video, use the preview option to check everything carefully. Make sure the script, voice, avatar, visuals, and timing work well together. If anything needs improvement, return to the editor and make the necessary changes.